The 2019 Nissan 400Z will have twin-turbo V6 with up to 476 horsepower. Swaps for the maturing 370Z car and roadster are going on. The car has been discounted since 2009. Issue is, sports autos ordinarily have poor benefit, however there are special cases. A week ago we heard Mercedes-Benz move toward Nissan about a potential association, like what BMW and Toyota have finished with the up-and-coming Z4 and Supra. Nissan expressed profound gratitude yet forget about it in light of the fact that Mercedes needed somebody to co-build up the following, roadster just, SLC with, yet Nissan knows convertibles are far more terrible dealers than cars. Scratch that thought. Today, Autocar has another report asserting that not just has Nissan given the following Z Auto the green light, yet a superior Nismo variation too. The new Nismo will probably come controlled by a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 with around 475 horsepower and 451 pounds-to-foot of torque, with control conveyed to every one of the four wheels. The standard Z Auto, due to arrive at some point in 2019 for the 50th commemoration of the first 240Z, will likewise share that motor, however it will create around 399 horsepower and 350 pounds-to-foot. The present 370Z, by correlation, has 332 horsepower and 269 pounds-to-foot while the Nismo offers 350 horsepower and 276 pounds-to-foot. Obviously, the new Z Auto's supposed name is 400Z, yet Nissan presently can't seem to illuminate this. Likewise, in light of this most recent report, we're given another motivation behind why Nissan turned down Mercedes' offer. Infiniti as of now has the products, and it's known as the Q60. Work is likewise in progress on the following Q60, which will share a back-wheel drive stage, motors, and general gadgets with the new Z Auto. Dimensionally, the two autos will be fundamentally the same as, which means the new Z Auto will be somewhat bigger than the 370Z. Furthermore, truly, Nissan will dispatch another Z Roadster also, however that is not anticipated that would occur before 2021. Things being what they are, when will we get our first look at the new plan? Autocar trusts the new Z Auto will show up in idea shape next October at the Tokyo Motor Show. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.